Hi guys.
Pull on the plate.
Hi guys.
Erica, finish your check. I'll tell what it is.
Alright.
Hi guys. So we eating rice, chicken, waffles, and another waffles for dinner. Hi guys, we're having waffles
Alright.
and chicken.
Hey, Jake.
Rice.
Are you gonna taste it?
Anybody take it? I think on it. Can't you taste the chicken?
Yeah, just turn up this chicken.
10 out of 10.
Ain't even taste the waffle.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 out of 10.
Okay. Just remember, you guys, somebody made a fake page under my name to say chair. That's not me. Also, we're going to look now. They have a girl of color with a red hoodie on. That's not me. And I only have one page. Just remember that. So when they come across your page, they ask you to accept and report them, because that's not me. I have one page. Remember that. And it does not have none of that under there. They stole my page and changed the, the profile. Catch you guys in a little bit on live. Come on over there.